Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Uplift Earwax Remover is probably one of the most effective and gentle solutions available on the market today for tackling stubborn earwax buildup, offering a safe and comfortable alternative to traditional methods that can sometimes be harsh or ineffective, ensuring you can achieve clear and healthy ears with ease and confidence. Number 5. Debrox Earwax Removal Kit. Are you experiencing discomfort from earwax buildup? Introducing a safe and effective solution designed to gently remove excess earwax. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for easy application. You'll find both the drops and a specialized syringe for thorough cleaning. Our formula utilizes carbamide peroxide to soften and break down stubborn earwax. It works effectively to loosen blockage without harshness. The included bulb syringe allows for controlled flushing of the ear canal. This ensures a comfortable and complete cleaning process. Regain clear hearing and comfort with this trusted earwax removal system. It's designed for at-home use, providing relief when you need it. What we like? This option uses a gentle chemical approach to soften earwax. If you prefer a non-invasive method that works over time, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want to avoid direct physical contact with their ear canal and are looking for a simple, effective solution. What people say. The system is straightforward. You use the drops first, and they create a light foaming action that helps soften and loosen built-up wax. Then you use the included bulb syringe with warm water to rinse everything out. The bulb syringe itself is simple but effective. It's soft and easy to squeeze, and it gives you enough control to rinse without feeling like you're using too much pressure. After letting the solution sit for the time and flushing it out of my right ear, a ton of wax came out. Number 4. Bebird R1 Earwax Removal Tool. Introducing the Bebird R1, your personal ear care companion. It features a high-definition camera and bright LED lights, allowing you to clearly see inside your ear canal. With its advanced 3 million pixel lens and 1080p resolution, you get a wide-angle view of every detail. This ensures a thorough and safe examination every time. Connect wirelessly to our intuitive Bebird app on your smartphone or tablet. You can easily view, take pictures, and record videos of your ear in real time. This tool comes with multiple interchangeable tips designed for effective cleaning. It helps remove ear dirt, whether your ears are oily or dry, for optimal hygiene. Its versatility extends beyond ear care. Use it to examine your nose, teeth, and throat with specialized observation kits. It's a multi-use tool for your overall health monitoring. Our innovative design is patented for your safety and peace of mind. Enjoy a secure and effective ear cleaning experience with this advanced device. What we like? This is the ultimate tool for those who want to see exactly what they're doing. If you're looking for a high-tech solution that allows you to visually inspect and clean your ears with precision, this is for you. It's also great for checking other areas like your nose and throat. What people say. The Uplift Earwax Remover is a game-changer for ear hygiene. Its innovative design allows for easy and safe removal of earwax, unlike traditional methods. The device is incredibly user-friendly. The instructions are clear, and the process is straightforward, making it accessible for anyone to use at home. I was impressed by the effectiveness of the Uplift Earwax Remover. It successfully cleared out stubborn earwax that I had been struggling with for a long time, restoring my hearing clarity. Number 3. Hion 6 PCS Earwax Removal Kit. Introducing the Hion Earwax Removal Kit, designed for safe and effective ear cleaning. This comprehensive set provides everything you need for a thorough yet gentle experience. Featuring a professional double-headed design, these tools allow for precise and efficient removal of earwax. Each piece is crafted for optimal performance and ease of use. Made from high-quality 316L stainless steel, this kit ensures durability and hygiene. The smooth surface is gentle on your skin, providing a comfortable cleaning process. This kit includes a cleaning brush and a convenient storage box, keeping your tools organized and protected. It's a complete solution for your ear care needs. Perfect for both kids and adults, this ear cleaner is designed for the whole family. Enjoy a safe and effective way to maintain ear hygiene for everyone. Finished in a stylish rose gold, this ear wax removal set adds a touch of elegance to your personal care routine. It's as beautiful as it is functional. What we like? If you prefer a traditional, manual approach to ear cleaning, this set is for you. It offers a variety of tools for different needs and is made from durable stainless steel. Consider this if you like having precise control and a variety of options for manual extraction. What people say. The Uplift Earwax Remover is a game changer for ear hygiene. Its innovative design allows for easy and safe removal of earwax, unlike traditional methods. The device features a high-definition camera that provides a clear view of the ear canal, ensuring precise and effective cleaning. The accompanying app is user-friendly and displays the video feed in real time. Multiple tip attachments are included, catering to different ear canal sizes and ensuring a comfortable experience for everyone. The rechargeable battery offers long-lasting use on a single charge. Number 2. W102 Earwax Removal Irrigation Flushing System. Introducing our ear cleaning kit, designed for safe and effective removal of earwax. It gently cleans your sensitive ear canal without causing damage, ensuring a comfortable experience. Say goodbye to expensive doctor visits for ear cleaning. This system allows you to perform ear cleaning conveniently at home, saving you time and money. Our thoughtful design includes disposable soft ear tips, ensuring a sanitary experience with every use. This prevents cross-contamination and makes it ideal for the whole family. This ear cleaning tool is perfect for all ages, including children. It effectively removes excess ear wax buildup, providing a superior solution for maintaining ear hygiene. We stand by our product with a 12-month replacement warranty. If you encounter any issues, please contact us for a quality product and excellent service. What we like. This system offers a safe and effective way to flush out earwax without expensive doctor visits. If you're looking for a cost-effective and sanitary solution, especially for families with children, this is an excellent choice. The disposable tips ensure hygiene with every use. What people say. The earwax remover is very easy to use and effective. It has a good design and works well to clean the ears. The product is a great tool for ear cleaning. Number 1. Bebird Earsight Plus R37 Our Ear Cleaning Camera. Introducing a smart ear cleaning camera specifically designed for your ears. Its flexible, bendable digital otoscope easily fits the natural curves of your ear canal for effortless inspection and cleaning. Experience a stunning inside view with its 3P waterproof, dustproof, and anti-fog HD camera. Your safety and comfort are paramount. The soft silicone coating prevents scratches and discomfort, while the cleaning tips remain securely in place. A built-in safety scale and protective stopper prevent over-insertion, ensuring your eardrums are always safe during cleaning. These precision tweezers with a camera gently remove earwax without touching your ear canal. They are perfect for sensitive ears, making them your go-to solution for a gentle, pain-free clean. This is your all-in-one ear care cleaning kit for home and travel. It includes durable cleaning tips for both wet and dry ears, ensuring a thorough clean every time. It even comes with an ear, nose, and throat checkup kit for easy at-home checks. Make ear cleaning fun. Adults can enjoy stress relief, while kids will be fascinated and no longer afraid of ear care. It's an enjoyable experience for the whole family. Crafted for long-term use, this earwax removal tool camera delivers reliable performance. We are here to ensure you are fully supported if you ever encounter an issue. What we like. This is the top pick for a gentle, pain-free, and visually guided ear cleaning experience. If you have sensitive ears or are looking for a tool that minimizes discomfort while providing a clear view, this is your best bet. Its flexible design and safety features make it ideal for both adults and children. What people say. The Uplift Earwax Remover is a game changer for ear hygiene. Its innovative design allows for easy and safe removal of earwax, unlike traditional methods. The device is incredibly user-friendly. The instructions are clear, and the included tools make the process straightforward and effective. I was impressed by how thoroughly it cleaned my ears without any discomfort. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.